Hi, my name is Dan, and I would like to share with you my experience with Davis Saperstein and Salomon. I came to Davis Saperstein and Salomon because I ended up in a very serious motorcycle accident out in Pennsylvania. While in the hospital recovering, I remembered that their firm had a very good reputation. So after I got out of the hospital and as I was recovering, I contacted the firm and I was able to speak with Gary Solomon. Gary was fantastic. He also introduced me to Adam, and Adam was just absolutely wonderful. Explained everything to me, what was going to happen, and even what I could possibly be looking forward to as a settlement. Davis Saperstein and Salomon was so attentive to my needs that, having no experience ever with this in the past, but they were hand-holding, they were there for me. It made the experience a lot calmer for me. I would highly recommend the Davis Saperstein and Salomon law firm for any personal injuries that you or a friend might incur. These people did right by me. They were great.